One of the things that we really enjoyed about this dormakaba Uniquin system, this is a demountable partition glass wall type office front that has been brought into the United States for the first time, and glad to be a part of the maiden voyage or the maiden installation. It's a very unique product, it's very slimline, very European look. All of our metal came in stock links, which we were able to cut and install in the new openings. And the glass bite tolerances on this were very adjustable as well. And one of the other things we really enjoyed was the Texas hinges, which were brought over from Europe as well. Even the people who swung the doors were talking about the versatility of these hinges and the adjustability, which made their job a lot easier. The installation process on this dormakaba Uniquin system was very straightforward. We were able to interpret and read shop drawings and cut material on site to make it a very seamless installation.